guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this hot smoky look. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to be using the Xoxo concealer pen and I'm going to be applying it on my lid so that the intensity of the black eyeshadow comes out very prominently. Apply it all over the lid, and now I'm just blending it out very evenly. Also, so that the concealer doesn't get creased up, so I'm using the loose powder so that no lines can be seen. For eyebrow, I'm using Etude-House eyebrow pencil in the shade grey. I never do my brows. This is the first time I'm doing my brow. I'm just overlining it so that it looks fancy. For the hint of brown color, I'm using PAC brown eyebrow pencil. I'm using spoolie for removing the excess product of my eyebrow, and now using the same brush, I've concealed it. Using the Lakme Iconic Kajal, I'm applying it on the waterline, and same I'll be doing it on the upper waterline too. This is not necessary. If you want to, you can. Just to give it a shape and a hint of black color, I'm using this eye pencil. Now you just have to pull your eyelid and apply it above your eyelashes, and it doesn't need to be very neat because of course you have to blend it out. I'm using a flat brush and a black eyeshadow and keeping it in the middle. I'm just blending it out in a semicircle motion. You have to do it very gently. I haven't applied foundation because of the fallout. Now I'm using a brown color to give the hint and the depth to my crease line, and using the Focalier brush, blending brush, I'm just blending the brown color with the black one so that a depth is created. You have to apply it in circular motion so that it blends out very beautifully. Now I'm taking the light brown shade and a different blending brush from Xoxo, and above the dark brown color I'm applying it again in the circular motion to give it depth. Now I'm using a brush, eyeshadow brush, and applying it in the lower waterline. Taking the same brush which we use for black color, I'm just giving a border of my eye. Now I'm curling my lashes and I'm good to go. I'm going to be using Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. I wanted to look fancy today, so I'm using a drugstore lash and lash fixer from PAC and applying it on my eyes. So we are done here. I'm removing the excess product, the fallout from the micellar water. It's from Nivea. Using the liquid highlighter from Swiss Beauty, I'm going to be highlighting my high points, the temples, the nose bridge, the cupid's bow, forehead and chin. Eyebrow bone also I'm going to be highlighting. I'm blending it out with my finger. I'm using a Maybelline nude lipstick in this creamy matte. It is nude nuance, and then I'm applying it on my lips. This is the final look. You can either tie up a ponytail or leave your hair open as you are suitable with. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Stay safe, stay at home.